Welcome back friends to another video by Smartest Blogger, and in this video we are going to convert password view into text view of any HTML page. So let's get started. Before that, subscribe our YouTube channel Smartest Blogger for getting those interesting videos daily and hit the bell icon to get all the notifications time to time. So let's get begin. So in our last video, we have seen how to change the view of site in the HTML language. So in this video, we are going to change the password view into the text view. So here I have opened the facebook.com site. So here I will fill this. So now here I will type the password. Here you can see the password is in the form. So if you want to convert this into text and if you want to know this password, then select this and right click here. After clicking right click here, you can see the inspect option. Click on this. After clicking on inspect, you can see the window like this. I have created it down. So by clicking these three dots, you can change its size or its place. If you see the window like this, then click on these three dots and change its position. I like its position down, so I have kept it here. So it is hovered here. Here you can see the input type is password. Double click there. After double clicking here, it is selected. You want to type text and hit enter. So after hitting enter, you can see the password has changed into text, and here you can now see the password. After you want to change it text into password, then again double click on text and type password and hit enter. So it was too easy. Thank you friends for watching this whole video, and if you like this trick, then like this video and share it with your friends. And at last, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Smartest Blogger for getting those interesting videos daily and hit the bell icon to get all the notifications time to time.